Welcome to my kitchen again, my Miliannairz Gang. Today I'll be making you some ackee and saltfish. And this you're looking at is the tin of the Jamaican ackee. And guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also like the video, share the video with your friends and family. This is my vegetables that I've already chopped. So this is tomato, garlic, scotch bonnet, orange and green pepper, and red and white onions, and my tin of ackee. I like everything to be colorful when I cook, so I like using various colors. So stay tuned guys, and I'll show you step by step. So guys, this is my skinless and boneless cod, and I bought it this way to avoid the bones and stuff. So now I've been soaking this overnight with half a lemon just to cut down the rawness, because you know fish normally raw. But yeah, so let's get going. I've just put the saltfish in some boiling water, and saltfish is quite easy to cook, so maybe about 10 minutes maximum. The saltfish is finished cooking now, and I'm just gonna take it out of this water and put it into this container. The oil is now hot. I'm gonna be putting in the seasoning. Sweet peppers, tomatoes, and onions. I'll be taking that pepper out soon. So as soon as this saute a bit, then I'll add my saltfish. Hey guys, I'm here again. It's been now cooking for about 5 minutes. I don't want my veggies to be too soft, so I'll be adding my cod. I'm getting out every bit out of it. I'm not leaving none. I do not like anything too hot. I'm just gonna take out this pepper for a while and leave it there. And then I'm gonna just mix in everything. I'm gonna turn it down a bit. And then I'm gonna add my other bits to it. A little bit of fish seasoning, black pepper, the liquid scotch bonnet pepper if I need it. If I don't need it, I'll not put it in. I'll be using a little bit of the Maggi season up. Give it a nice, that's the fish one, fish flavor. And some black pepper. I'll say that's about a teaspoon of black pepper. This spiritual Jamaican crushed Scotch bonnet pepper is filled with flavor, I'm telling you. So I always use a little bit in whatever I'm cooking. So that's the saltfish and vegetables. So now I'm gonna be adding my ackee. I've just boiled the kettle. The next stage is to rinse my ackee in hot water. Rinse them off completely. And drain them properly and then add them to my pot. It's now time to add my ackee. Stir it up a bit. Wow, look at that. This is only a quick and easy ackee and saltfish. Quick and easy ackee and saltfish. I don't want my ackees to break, so I'm taking my time.